Here's a QVT for you. When putting in a neckline, I baste it first. See that blue stitch? I baste it in all the way around, and I make sure everything's nice and even and looking good. After I baste it, then I go back and I serge it. After it's serged, I get out my ham, not my ham and cheese, but my pressing ham, and I press it all the way down with the serge seam going down. And guess what? I leave my base stitch in. Well, I take it out. It's extra reinforcement that stops stretching. Press your neckline all the way around. The ham will add curve, which makes your neckline lay nice and flat. Flawless necklines every time. Hope this helps.